Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What state of matter is characterized by atoms collapsing into the same quantum state at very low temperatures, forming a Bose-Einstein condensate? Is it A, solid, B, plasma, or C, superfluid? It is C, superfluid. Who is Medusa in mythology? Is it A, Gorgon, B, Hero, or C, Titan? It is A, Gorgon. What is Docker primarily used for in software development? Is it A, containerization, B, virtualization, or C, cloud storage? It is A, containerization. Which form of Buddhism is primarily practiced in Tibet? Is it A, Zen Buddhism, B, Tibetan Buddhism, or C, Theravada Buddhism? It is B, Tibetan Buddhism. Which sport is Tim Murray known for coaching at the collegiate level? Is it A, football, B, basketball, or C, baseball? It is B, basketball. What ethical philosophy is Peter Singer known for promoting? Is it A, deontology, B, utilitarianism, or C, virtue ethics? It is B, utilitarianism. What groundbreaking television program is Barbara Walters known for co-creating and hosting? Is it A, The Today Show, B, 2020ths, or C, Good Morning America? It is B, 2020ths. In mathematics, what is a vector primarily used to represent? Is it A, scalar quantity, B, direction and magnitude, or C, probability? It is B, direction and magnitude. Which philosophical concept is Arthur Schopenhauer best known for developing? Is it A, categorical imperative, B, will to live, or C, social contract? It is B, will to live. Which famous musical drama is Richard Wagner known for composing? Is it A, The Magic Flute, B, The Ring Cycle, or C, The Barber of Seville? It is B, The Ring Cycle. Which famous Renaissance painting was created by Leonardo da Vinci? Is it A, Starry Night, B, The Scream, or C, Mona Lisa? It is C, Mona Lisa. What musical term refers to a solo piece in an opera? Is it A, aria, B, sonata, or C, concerto? It is A, aria. Where is Christ the Redeemer located? Is it A, Spain, B, Italy, or C, Brazil? It is C, Brazil. What musical term describes notes that are played in a short and detached manner, known as staccato? Is it A, loud and powerful, B, smooth and connected, or C, short and detached? It is C, short and detached. Which scientific field is Alexander von Humboldt best known for contributing to? Is it A, astronomy, B, geography, or C, chemistry? It is B, geography. What is the primary component of an asteroid structure? Is it A, gas, B, rock, or C, ice? It is B, rock. Which ancient empire is known for its legal codes and treaties in the Near East? Is it A, Hittites, B, Assyrians, or C, Phoenicians? It is A, Hittites. What type of cuisine is hoisin sauce commonly associated with? Is it A, Italian, B, Mexican, or C, Chinese? It is C, Chinese. Which ocean is the Greenland Sea a part of? Is it A, Atlantic Ocean, B, Arctic Ocean, or C, Indian Ocean? It is B, Arctic Ocean. What is Lady Macbeth's main ambition in Shakespeare's play Macbeth? Is it A, to defeat rivals, B, to become queen, or C, to rule Scotland? It is B, to become queen. What territory did the United States acquire from Mexico as a result of the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo in 1848? Is it A, Texas, B, California, or C, Florida? It is B, California. Which type of musical composition is Frédéric Chopin most famous for? Is it A, operas, B, symphonies, or C, piano pieces? It is C, piano pieces. Which astronomical concept is Edwin Hubble known for discovering, which states that the universe is expanding? Is it A, Hubble's law, B, Hubble Space Telescope, or C, cosmic background radiation? It is A, Hubble's law. What is the primary business focus of Alibaba Group? Is it A, e-commerce, B, social media, or C, renewable energy? It is A, e-commerce. What political party did Yair Lapid found in Israel? Is it A, Likud, B, Yesh Atid, or C, Meretz? It is B, Yesh Atid. What mathematical concept refers to the value a function approaches as the input approaches a point? Is it A, derivative, B, limit, or C, integral? It is B, limit. What is the most famous structure located on the Acropolis of Athens? Is it A, Parthenon, B, Colosseum, or C, Sagrada Familia? It is A, Parthenon. What property is sunstone primarily known for in crystal healing? Is it A, calmness, B, leadership, or C, protection? It is B, leadership. What is the name of the character played by Ed O'Neill in Modern Family? Is it A, Mitchell Pritchett, B, Phil Dunphy, or C, Jay Pritchett? It is C, Jay Pritchett. What small infectious agent can only replicate inside the cells of living organisms? Is it A, bacteria, B, virus, or C, fungi? It is B, virus. What does Easter celebrate in Christianity? Is it A, ascension, B, creation, or C, resurrection? It is C, resurrection. What is Canva primarily used for? Is it A, graphic design, B, web development, or C, project management? It is A, graphic design. Which major scientific field is Imperial College London particularly known for? Is it A, history, B, literature, or C, engineering? It is C, engineering. What is a primary reason companies conduct a stock buyback? Is it A, increase share price, B, pay dividends, or C, expand operations? It is A, increase share price. What was a major outcome of the Franco-Prussian War, 1870 to 1871? Is it A, unification of Germany, B, fall of the Roman Empire, or C, independence of India? It is A, unification of Germany. What is the primary use of radio technology? Is it A, providing television signals, B, sending instant messages, or C, broadcasting audio signals? It is C, broadcasting audio signals. What is the primary theme explored in the movie The Revenant? Is it A, survival, B, love, or C, friendship? It is A, survival. What is the primary ingredient used in the traditional Italian pasta dish, aglio e olio? Is it A, tomato, B, garlic, or C, basil? It is B, garlic. What position does Katrin Jakobsdottir hold in Iceland's government? Is it A, Minister of Finance, B, President, or C, Prime Minister? It is C, Prime Minister. What is a significant environmental issue affecting the Gulf of Mexico? Is it A, oil spills, B, desertification, or C, glacial melting? It is A, oil spills. In which critically acclaimed horror film did Anya Taylor-Joy play the lead role of Thomasin? Is it A, Emma, B, Split, or C, The Witch? It is C, The Witch. Which novel is considered a classic work by Jane Austen? Is it A, Moby Dick, B, Pride and Prejudice, or C, The Great Gatsby? It is B, Pride and Prejudice. Which notable scientific research institute is part of University College London, UCL? Is it A, Salk Institute, B, Max Planck Institute, or C, Francis Crick Institute? It is C, Francis Crick Institute. What is the primary objective of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game? Is it A, collect monsters, B, reduce opponents' life points, or C, draw the most cards? It is B, reduce opponents' life points. Which Canadian territory does Baffin Island belong to? Is it A, Northwest Territories, B, Yukon, or C, Nunavut? It is C, Nunavut. What was the primary outcome of the Battle of Little Bighorn in 1876? Is it A, U.S. victory, B, Custer's defeat, or C, treaty signed? It is B, Custer's defeat. Which city is the capital of Hungary? Is it A, Budapest, B, Vienna, or C, Prague? It is A, Budapest. What is the primary purpose of a stop-loss order in trading? Is it A, increase volatility, B, maximize profits, or C, limit losses? It is C, limit losses. What type of project is Lemonade by Beyoncé known for? Is it A, concert tour, B, documentary film, or C, visual album? It is C, visual album. What is the primary ingredient in a traditional vinaigrette dressing? Is it A, honey, B, vinegar, or C, cream? It is B, vinegar. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.